Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum, peace be unto you. IIPC Canada invites you to meet and greet with Muhammad Shaikh on Saturday, 22nd November 2025 at 6 p.m. in the evening at Evergreen Seniors Community Center. This will present an opportunity to all our listeners and students to meet Muhammad Shaikh in person. A casual gathering followed by dinner with the purpose of getting to know each other. To book an appointment for personal consultation with Muhammad Shaikh, kindly contact Alam Muhammad at 1403-8724113. Muhammad Shaikh is available for personal consultation from Monday to Saturday, 2 p.m. till 8 p.m. Please feel free to bring your family and friends along.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is to welcome a special meet and greet to honor our beloved teacher, Muhammad Shaikh. Before I begin, I'd like to request Brother Azim to come to the stage and please start it off with the Islamic recitation.
Thank you. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم مثل الذين ينفقون أموالهم في سبيل الله كمثل حبة أنبتت 7 سنابل في كل سنبلة 100 حبة والله يضاعف لمن يشاء والله واسع عليم صدق الله العظيم. The translation of this ayah, this is Surah Al-Baqarah 2, ayah 261. The example of those who spend their wealth in the way of Allah, that is 1/5 of the running profit or any amount according to their needs, is like the example of a grain that grows 7 ears, that is part of grains, and in every ear there are 100 grains, and Allah multiplies for whom He wills, and Allah is spacious, knowledgeable. Thank you.
Okay, tonight is a celebration, and we also need to show deep gratitude to you-know-who. Our agenda is very, very simple. We have a little bit history and a little bit talk about Brother Muhammad Shaikh. We all know him, 30 plus years of service. That will be followed by a couple of our family members here. Some of them are on the stage, some of them maybe within the audience, who come in and share their journey about IIPC and Brother Muhammad Shaikh. Number 3, we would be talking to the man himself, Mr. Fawad Jilani, about his vision, also A lot of things that we do not know about IIPC, we will know today. You will be truly amazed by the level of work that this organization is doing. Fawad will also share his 2026 vision with us. And in the end, with the ayat from Brother Azim and for the things that I'm going to talk about, we will, of course, ask for commitment. Commitment of your time, more importantly than anything else. Okay, and then our crown jewel at the end, we will have an interactive session with Brother Muhammad Shaikh. You will be getting the mic and asking your concise questions, not statements. And we will have Brother Muhammad Shaikh answer them, and then followed by dinner and network. So tonight is not just a meet and greet. It's the beginning of a new chapter for IIPC Canada. I'm honored to introduce the board members for IIPC Canada here right on the stage, especially Fawad Jilani, who's the managing director, and you will hear from him in a bit.
I just needed to introduce the directors here for a minute. I want to take this. Our directors, Brother Adnan Kalimi. He's been with us. I think he's also known Brother Muhammad Shaikh. How many years? 30. Brother Azim Kamal, Dr. Azim Kamal Umar, an oncologist from Minnesota. 35 years since you were 5 years old? 11. A little bit around 10, 11 years old. 10 years old? Brother Dr. Azim Kamal. I'll start with Brother Asif Imam. How long? 20 years. And Brother Anik, you already met. 40, okay, 4 years. All right. And Brother Alam, our executive director. The most hardworking individual I have seen. I have to say this, he's given up his career for this cause. So all he's doing, he's running this center. Brother Alam, for 25 years. There is one lady I want to introduce also. I know she doesn't want it, but Sister Huma, smile. She's also our board of director. Huge applause. And I'll tell you, without her support, there are many things, even this event is not possible. Thank you very much.